touch the sky. Colors shining bright and true. Let's learn colors, me and you. Red, 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 the color of love. Hearts are red and so is the dove. Jump, jump high, touch the air. Red is everywhere, everywhere. Orange is bright like morning sun. Spin around, let's have some fun. Orange, orange, round and round. Magic circles on the ground. Yellow shines like a happy star. Twinkle, twinkle, near and far. Yellow glow, mellow and sweet. Yellow dance, move your feet. Green is the grass, green is the tree. Green means life and energy. Grow, grow, hands up slow. Green makes everything bright and glow. Blue like water, splash, splash, splash. Blue like clouds that move so fast. Blue is cool, calm like the sea. Sing this blue melody. Indigo night with magic light. Swirl around, shiny and bright. Indigo dreams softly flow. Glow, glow, gentle glow. Violet glitter, sparkling bright. Sweet little twinkles in the night. Violet heart, soft and sweet. Tap your toes to the violet beat.